Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel I'll be providing a stock analysis and also a short trading lesson at the end, so please stay tuned. I'm sure you're all wondering where the wonderful curtains are. Unfortunately there was a negative comment with regard to the curtains, so I have decided that a change of scenery was necessary. So hopefully nobody takes offense to the color of the background. Anyway, let's get started. So quick recap of the previous video. We looked at ticker symbol MMAT, and we also looked at a new penny stock, so please refer back to that video for details of the update for MMAT. Before we get started, just to inform everybody who's interested in the $1 Million Challenge, I will be providing a quick update on that towards the end of the video, so please watch till the end. Today's stock analysis is for an update for ticker symbol ABML, American Battery Metals, and also a stock update for ticker symbol NLST Netlist. Both stocks have been featured before on the channel, and we're going to start first of all by looking at ticker symbol ABML. As we all know, market conditions have not been great recently, and ticker symbol ABML has also been impacted by these, and I can see at time of editing it's currently just up close to 1% at $1.62. What are the updates for ticker symbol ABML? First thing I'd like to do is share a tweet from Doug Cole, and what he stated is that they are another step closer to the construction phase of Pilot Plant 1 and continue to be pleased with the Pilot Plant's leadership and progress. So this is excellent news. The information was also shared on the business website. Let's start by having a look at confirmation of the application, and we can see here it's confirmation that it is commercial building permit number BP21439. And this was submitted on the 23rd of July, expiring on the 19th of January 2022. So excellent news here, and certainly we are one step closer to construction now. Let's now have a look at the confirmation on the business website, and the headline here we can see is American Battery Metals Corporation submits application for core and shell permit to City of Fernley. So what can we pick up inside here? So we can see that second paragraph down, once approved, the core and shell building permit will allow the company to begin the construction phase of the pilot plant, with mobilizing contractors to start work on the foundation and external features of its pilot plant. So very, very bullish about this. And the other thing I'd like to focus on here is the paragraph further down, where it says the Fernley pilot plant is going to include 60,000 square feet of production, plus office space, laboratories, warehouse space. Plant production area will be built in two phases. 30,000 square feet in the first phase, 30,000 square feet in the second phase. The next thing I'd like to do is just look at the team. So the second paragraph down, it says once approved, they're going to forge ahead with the plant. And in terms of the team, they have an excellent team. This consists of Chuck Lieber along with design building contractor Miles Construction. So let's have a look at the key features of the team. What we can see on the next screen here is that the American Battery Metals are answering the demand for skyrocketing battery technology. This requires a team with strategic business aptitude, operational expertise in geology, drilling, chemistry, extraction, battery materials, and also lithium-ion battery recycling. So again, very bullish, and ABTC has created a team that's prepared for incoming opportunities, the inevitable challenges of volatile markets, which we all are aware of, and they have the fundamental understanding in critical areas including water rights, legal expertise, mining, environmental regulations, and knowledge of cutting-edge extraction technology. And certainly we are also aware of the expertise they have from some of the ex-Tesla members of staff on their team, giving us extreme levels of confidence in this company. What I would now like to do is finish off by having a look at the pilot plant progress, the key milestones. And we can see here right now, in terms of June 2021, we're very close to pre-construction and permitting being completed. Next phase we can see there in blue is the construction. Then we have the red phase, which is startup. And then the most important one, which is going to give us the catalyst for the stock, which is production and productivity milestones. But the other important thing I'd like to draw your attention to here is the sentence which said, much work was done prior to June, but is not shown below. So obviously we're not always aware of catalysts and behind the scene what's going on. This is a stock that I think is undervalued right now. So certainly in terms of an entry point, if you can catch this anywhere close to $1.70, $1.60. I think going forward that will give you tremendous value. I'd now like to move on to have a quick update on ticker symbol NLST Netlist. This is a stock that I first brought to the members in the Discord and the Patreon. Initially at that time it was trading under $7, and we saw after that we had a good run up here in excess of $10. There has been a pullback. However, now what I'd like to share with you is some bullish news. There has been some positive updates. So let's start by having a look at what we've found. Okay, so first thing I'd like to share with you is a case here, and the case is Attorneys for Plaintiff Netlist. It's the United States District Court, Central District of California, and it's case number 820 CV993 MCS. And the information that we have here is a redacted version of Netlist Incorporated's opposition to Samsung's motion for judgment on the pleadings proposed to be filed under seal. So yesterday there was a very important update on this, very key development. Let's have a look at that. Okay, so this development was dated 27th of July 2021, which is yesterday. So let's have a look at the breaking news. So this is another release from the United States District Court, Central District of California, and what we can see here, there was an order granting Plaintiff Netlist Incorporation's motion to complete discovery responsive. So what does that mean? So on the second page here, so I'm just going to summarize what's happened here. So the court has basically stated here they've considered the arguments of Netlist against Samsung, and what the court have stated that the court does order the defendants to produce, first of all, an email and attachment sent to and from NECCing to Netlist, any email addressed Netlist employees from January the 15th onwards. So that is absolutely great, tremendous news. And if we move over to the final part of the order, this is the important thing I'd like to share with you in terms of the statement here. The above response shall be due within 5 days from the date of this order. So the order is dated 27th of July. So within 5 dates of that, Samsung must produce a copy of this email. So as investors, what I think that basically means, if the content in this emails is something very relevant to the case, and obviously suggesting that there has been breach of contract, there has been a breach of an agreement, and certainly think that it's going to be a huge catalyst for the stock going forward. It's going to give a lot of investors more confidence in this stock. One other thing I'd like to make you aware of for next week, as well as the information being released with the emails, we also have earnings. So earnings will be next week on the Tuesday, and this could also be a potentially good catalyst for the stock. Finally, I'd like to give a shout out to a post on Reddit here. So let's have a look at this bullish post. And the headline here is Netlist is winning. All we do is win. We won at Patent Trial and Appeal Board. We won with the USPTO. We won the Federal Appeals Court unanimously against Google and against INPHI. We won with Sky Hynix, and now they are our partner. Again, very true. We won every dispute with Google so far on the motions. We won the discovery fight with Google. We won on motions for interrogatories with Samsung. We won on motion to compel, which again we've just seen. We keep winning because we are the truth and our opponents are thieves and liars. We will continue to win. We have the best legal teams and truth is on our side. So I certainly do agree with almost all of that. This is good news for the stock, and I'm very positive. I've also invested in this stock, and I'm very, very keen and bullish on the potential going forward. Finally, I'd like to share details of our $1 million challenge, which is becoming very, very popular. And if you want information and further details about this, please look at the description below for details of the video where I shared the challenge. In terms of updates for the challenge, the members of the Discord are growing, Patreon members are growing. We're all very, very excited and looking forward to start this challenge. In terms of the updates, I will be providing 2 exclusive videos which will not be released on YouTube. These will just be for Discord members. These videos will be released on the Friday. One video is going to be covering an update for strategy. So we'll have 2 strategies. One strategy is going to be for beginners and people who have limited time to trade. And the second strategy that we're going to look at in the exclusive video is a strategy for more experienced traders. So that's a video I'll be releasing on Friday. And the second video I'm going to be releasing on Friday, again, that will be exclusive just in the Discord, is a video covering all the frequently asked questions with regard to this challenge. So everybody who's a member of the Discord hopefully that we can then follow that up with some question and answer. Anybody who wishes to join us in this journey, please have a look at the description below, look at the video, check us out, and put a comment below in the description, and I'll be happy to provide further information. Thank you very much for joining us. Please stay tuned.